Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club with the latest updates. Today I am going to show you how you can make easily HD thumbnail for your YouTube videos. It's very simple and easy. I am going to show you a very easy trick. Then you can make the attractive thumbnail for your videos so people can easily click on your video, then attract from your video, and then they can click on video, and then you can get the more views on your YouTube videos, then get more earnings. So if you are new in my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. So let's go to our topic, then we see how we can do easily the thumbnail. So watch till end so you can easily get the what tips I am using, and then you can use also the same. It's very simple and easy tricks. Okay friends, so first of all we need to go Google and then type here the Pixlr editor. Once this Pixlr editor you type, you can see the top link interface, the pixlr.com editor. You just click that one, then you can choose here any of these both. I'm choosing this one. So once this interface come, the Pixlr editor, you open the image 1280 720 any image. Before you doing the YouTube thumbnail, YouTube always recommend the thumbnail size is 1280 to 720. So I already downloaded in my PC. If you don't have 1280 720 image background, you can download also from the Google, or if you don't have image, you can also do like this, create a new, then you can see here the background. You can select from the same. This one is PNG, you can select also like this, then you can do the any image background you can put here. This one is PNG, no any background. This one is default from the Pixlr editor. So I am going to choose this, I already downloaded. So once this first image you downloaded, you need to do your video editing. Starting, you depend on your title. So I am just showing you as a demonstration. Same like I am selecting this image. If I put like this image, as you can see, this picture already got background. So you can easily remove this background by using the background remover. So I just remove first the picture background, everything. I just showing you how you can remove. This one also I put the link in description, so you can get in. So as you can see, I already removed in only 1 second remove background. So download, then go to the, I click first import picture, then I put here. So you can make it resize big or small, it's depend on your thumbnail style. So I'm just keeping like this, make it a bit big. Then I put the text. You can put any text, depend on your title. I just this one only for the demonstration. So I just type here how to make HD thumbnail. So this one you can make it bold, then you can bring up, then resize like this. Okay, So now you can change the background of this wording also. You can change. Then you can select the outline. Then you can make it the shadow also. So first of all, we can change also the font style, as you can see. I just select that one. Then we can change the color. You can see here, any color you choose, depend on your choice. In this thumbnail I am using the yellow color. Then I can make it the size big. Okay, then you can put the space also, the wording is space. Okay, so now we can change also the background color. You can see the background color. Step by step you can change the background color also. So I just select the I just keep it this red color. Then I can change the the outline color. I change to blue. Then I can outline, I can reduce the size also. You can put it the maximum or reduce. Then if you don't like this the background, you can off also, you can take out also background. Then you can do it like that also. So I just demonstration this one. You can put the background, you can without background also can. So I am not using the background here. So the shadow color, I just select the black color. Then opacity, you can see you can increase the opacity, so shadow become more attractive, same like 3D. Horizontal, vertical, you can see how up and down or left and right you can see. Then you can make it blur or fully control this one. You can make attractive thumbnail. It's depend on your title, what title you are using in the video, and then you can easily you can do your thumbnail very attractive, and then people can see and then click on your video. I'm doing this one only for the demonstration faster, so not wasting your time too much. Okay, so I import any other image. Okay, this one only for the demonstration, so you can see how. Okay, then we can put here the question mark, or I just put the here just this one for the demonstration. I using this one 2020, then make it center, then we put the question mark, this one I already downloaded all the picture background what I can put, or how I just put this on how, or not how, I just put the question mark, so easy to guess how. My all thumbnail I using this pixeler, then make it very fast and easily thumbnail. So I just put here like this, then you can save it easily by high quality PNG, JPG or WD or any format. So I just save. Then if you want to change this background color, you can easily change background. So just clicking by this one, then you can save in the PNG. This one is other trick. So I just save as a PNG download. Then this one another trick. So you can also change, if you don't like the blue color, you can change it different. So I just type here 1280 720, I import any image, same like I put this black color, then okay, then import the same image. Oh, this one not 1280, 12. This one is wrong size. Okay, I just save this one. Then import that picture. Okay, then now just import your PNG, the just now we downloaded. You can easily change background. As you can see here, you can easily change the background also by this pixeler. You can make it different background here. This one only the demonstration, so you can see if you don't like the other color, you can change it different colors also, same like this yellow or this one or red. Okay, for example I choose this red color, then okay, then select that one, then import the same picture PNG. Okay, so it's very simple and easy. You can see the different way you can change, and then you can make it background text also you can change. You can get here the different fonts, style, then everything you can get in this software. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest videos like that. Then hope you like this video, so keep supporting my channel. See you in the next video with the latest update. Thank you.